Hey baby, you getting ready for school, right? Let me tell you something. No matter how much effort you put in on it, you will never be what you want to be. Trousers? Not for you, darling. A real girl should dress skirts. Iwe, give me your sister. I want you. I'm calling you. Are you deaf? You trying to ignore me? Who do you think you are? If you don't want me to tell you something, you better stop dressing to attract me. Okay? Nyabo, you are my sugar, my property, just an object. Be a good wife and give me sex whenever you want. Hey girl, how old are you? 15? 16? You even ready for marriage? Woman, you're not capable for this job. Go and take care of your home. Don't leave home alone. Don't do math. Don't chat with other guys. Don't play football. Don't speak in public. Don't do that. Don't eat that. Don't touch this.
No matter who you are, no matter your sex or gender, no matter where you're born, we deserve being part of this world. We can be leaders. We must forget all the nonsense that has been told. We will be whatever we want to become. We can make it happen. We can do it together. Just believe in yourself. We can, we will, we matter.